How to use FedEx Hold at Location feature. To use the FedEx Hold at Location feature, first of all, launch the official FedEx mobile application on your device. Once you open it, all you have to do is open the FedEx tracking page or simply tap on this tracking option if you have ongoing shipments. However, I don't have any shipment, so application is showing this. So all you have to do is once you find that ongoing shipment, tap on the side arrow bar. From here, you will be sent to Manage Delivery button. From there, you will be sent to the delivery options. From there, click on the Manage Delivery button on your tracking dashboard. Then select Hold Location option from the available menu list. Choose a retail store or the nearest office. From there, submit and wait. And once you confirm your selection, update the delivery routing. Wait until you receive a text or email alerting ready for pickup. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.